We have Graham Nichols here, who is a director for Affinity here at the Affinity Theological Study Conference. Graham, can you please tell us the basis of this conference and what you are seeking to do with this conference, and just tell us basically what's happening here today?
The conference is bringing together Christian leaders and students to think about a particular topic deeply from a theological point of view. So it's not so much about preaching and kind of exhorting one another. It's about studying together. The value of the conference is that papers are produced in advance of a reasonable length, and the delegates are supposed to read the papers before they're here and maybe think of some questions themselves, and then the speakers present those papers for about 20-25 minutes, and then we have opportunities to discuss and then to raise questions with the person who produced the paper. And that formula has been used over the last 10 years or so and has been very successful in stimulating deep discussion, seeking to apply God's word, but look at big themes in the Bible and try and engage with each other and help each other as we try and think through those principles.
Thank you. Can you tell us about your work at Affinity and what you basically do and what the main vision of Affinity is?
Yeah, absolutely. I've been director of Affinity just for 1 year. Affinity brings together what you might loosely call conservative evangelical groupings. So there are church groupings like the FIEC and the Free Church of Scotland and the Evangelical Fellowship of Congregational Churches and various others, and then Christian organisations like Christian Concern or a mission organisation like Reach Across. So we bring together those various groups. There's three things we want to do. We want to encourage one another in our work. So we meet together a couple of times a year, encourage one another, have a speaker in, find out what each other is doing, pray for one another, be aware of what's going on right across the country, because we cover Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland as well as England. So we want to encourage, we want to educate, so we produce a theological journal called Foundations, which is available freely online. We produce a social issues bulletin. There's a wealth of expertise in terms of social ethics, bioethics, medical ethics, what's going on in Parliament, education and so forth. And we produce bulletins updating people on what's going on in those areas. So we want to educate, and of course this conference is part of the education process. And then a new thing for Affinity is we want to try and engage with the wider world, the wider Christian world and the wider secular world, with the fact that we represent about 1,200 churches mean we can seek to engage in the secular media and try and speak from a conservative evangelical point of view into a number of issues of the day, to try and represent Christ well in the world. So that's what we're about.
Well, thank you. There are a few theological students here from the London Seminary.
Yes.
What do you think is the great benefit for students to come to conferences like this and to be part of associations like Affinity?
Particularly coming to the conference, I think there's a benefit of the material itself, because I think it's good quality material, well-researched papers, well-referenced papers, so I think there's the material benefit of that. But also I think it gets you to interact with older Christians, experienced pastors, experienced theologians, and to learn from them and maybe connect with them, create relationships with them, which might be a benefit in the longer term. So that's what it's about, really.
No, thank you for your time. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.